Hey guys, hii ni part 2 ya causes of oil consumption. So a part of those from those two things I told you, pia kuna ingine, but that one is a little bit confused because majorly it doesn't happen, but when it happens, it is usually bad. That is when there is some leaks somewhere. So it could be leak outside or inside, but majorly outside. The reason why it's outside, because if it's inside, there is water, and the water will come inside the places where kuna oil. That means itaongezeka, and that would also be bad. So outside kuna several cells ziko nje. Cells ni kama they are rubber. So the rubber cells sometimes huwa zinaharibika, sometimes they dry or something happens, they are zinapinchua. Zikimpinchua, oil comes out. So there is something called the crankshaft seal. That is one of the culprits. The layer majorly. There's also a front crankshaft seal, which is a little crazy, and especially for older Toyota DX na kama hizo, even the newer ones. So it has to be replaced, otherwise utaishi kuongeza oil, ama unadhani you have bad valve seals na nini kama huo gari chini. So those seals have to be changed. So also look at everywhere near your cylinder block of the engine, uangalia kama kuna mahali kwingine kumepasuka. Ukipasuka, it's a problem. It could also pasuka in the cylinder head. Now ikipasuka on the cylinder head, and oil passes through the combustion chamber kwenye mafuta inachomewa, tena that could also be another thing. So the remedy of that, maybe the cylinder head might go ichomelewe, or if the cylinder head is badly damaged, or sometimes aluminium, you'll have to replace the cylinder head. So if you have another reason why it would there could be consumption of oil or leakage, just put it in the comment below and share, so that if you have a friend akona hiyo shida, unaweza kumsaidia. So like, comment, share. Thank you.